Conserving electricity is a major issue for many households around the country. Electric bills can be remarkably high when special attention is not given to how much electricity is being used and how electric use can be decreased. To follow are three basic ways that electricity can be conserved. First, be consistent with thermostat settings. In the winter, a thermostat can be set at 68 degrees, and in the summer, a thermostat can be set at 78 degrees. Both thermostat settings will help to conserve energy. Programmable thermostats are also excellent because they automatically increase or decrease the thermostat setting depending on the time of day. 2. Unplug unused appliances and chargers. Many people waste a great deal of money each month because they leave appliances and chargers plugged in. If you have an appliance that is seldom used, such as a toaster or extra microwave, a great deal of money can be saved if the appliances are simply unplugged. The presence of so much technology in homes has also increased electricity consumption. For this reason, it is important to unplug chargers so that electricity is not being wasted. 3. Check your light bulbs. Lighting a home is a huge electrical expense. As such, it is important to replace high wattage bulbs with lower wattage bulbs. Another alternative to conserving energy with light bulbs is the purchase and installation of compact fluorescent light bulbs. CFL bulbs are unique because they give the same amount of visible light as conventional light bulbs, but only use 1/5 of the amount of electricity that conventional light bulbs use. All households have the ability to conserve electricity if they so desire. Although there are other methods of conserving energy that are not named here, the three aforementioned steps offers some superb tips for anyone who desires to conserve energy and reduce the monthly electricity bill.